Hi guys, this is the happiest moment of every young YouTuber, that is to get monetization. So in this video I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how you can actually apply for monetizations if you have crossed the 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hour. So this is how your dashboard is going to look like, which is applying now. So if the criteria have not met, if your channel have not met the criteria, this is how your channel is going to look like, which is this way. So you're going to be clicking on notify me when I'm eligible. Just click on it, and once you are eligible, YouTube will notify you. As you can see, we will send you an email when you are eligible to apply. So right now this particular channel has meet the criteria of the 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hour. So it's now time for us to apply. So sit back and relax while I put you through step by step on how you can actually achieve this. So right now here I receive an email from Google saying that apply from YouTube, which is apply for monetization. So as you can see, hi WP Nasdaq, your channel WP Nasdaq has passed the 1000 subscribers and 4000 public watch hour in the last 12-month requirement of the YouTube partner program. So your channel is not monetized yet. Go to the monetization section of YouTube Studio to check the next step. If you are already accept the terms and set up your AdSense, then no further action is needed. Thank you, the YouTube team. So this is the email I received from YouTube for my monetization. So the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to go back to my dashboard and click on apply now. So here we have 3 steps that you are going to be going through. As you can see here, channel monetization. So we have the first step, which is to review your partner program terms and conditions. So I'm going to be clicking here right now, start. So here you are going to be reading, or you are going to be reviewing your partner program terms and conditions, which is you are going to read all these informations to know how the partnership or with YouTube, when you start making money, actually work. So how much YouTube are going to pay you, and the terms and conditions, what you need to do and what you don't need to do. So you are going to be looking all these terms and conditions and do what and apply for it. So as you can see, I'm going to be only reading here, which is said subscription revenue. YouTube will pay you 55% of your total net revenue recognized by YouTube from subscription fee that are attributed to the monthly view or watch time of your content, or as a percentage. So this is the most important part, which is to earn money from YouTube. So you are going to be you need to know that YouTube are going to pay you 55% of your revenue. So here you can go through all the guidelines, all the rules and regulation. Click on accept. So I'm going to be clicking on accept the YouTube partner program terms, and click on what accept terms. So I wait while this section gets done. So guys, as you can see, I've accepted the terms and conditions, and I've reviewed my partner program terms. So the next thing now is to go to the step 2, which is set up for Google AdSense. So Google AdSense is where you are going to be receiving your payments, an account where you are going to be receiving payment. As you can see, they create a new AdSense account or connect an existing one to your channel. You need an AdSense account to monetize and get paid. So we're clicking on this start here. So here we have you'll be redirected to AdSense to complete this step. So here we have if you have an existing AdSense account, so you're going to be clicking here, yes, I have AdSense. I have an existing account. So you can link this account to your YouTube channel. So here right now, and if you don't have the AdSense account, so you can click on what, no, I don't have an existing account. So you are going to be creating a new account immediately, and it's very simple, very easy to actually create. So here I don't have AdSense account, so I'm going to be clicking no, I don't have an existing AdSense account. So I'm going to be clicking on what, continue. So here Google is going to ask me to choose my Google account. Remember, you're going to be choosing your Gmail account that you want to link with your Google AdSense. So I'm going to be clicking my Gmail account. So as you can see here, this is my Gmail account, and this is automatically your website, which is the URL of your YouTube channel. So here automatically Google bring it here. So I have here get more out of AdSense. Yes, send me customized help and performance suggestion. You can actually unsubscribe this later on, but I will recommend a little to say yes, or if you don't want, no, I don't want any customer. If you don't want any disturbance in your email, you can actually click on no. So here we have your select your country or territory. So you're going to be selecting your country where you stay right now. So I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to be selecting Nigeria. So here I've selected Nigeria. So the next thing you're going to be doing is to do what is to accept the terms and conditions that holds AdSense account. So I'm going to be clicking on click on yes, I have read and accept the agreement, and click on create account. So guys, after that, so I'm going to be putting in my informations, my customer. As you can see here, we have a customer information here. I'm going to be putting, of course, customer information. Account type is an individual account. So if you click, or if you point here, you can see this payment setting is used for tax and identity verification. The business account type is for educational institution, partnership or organization and businesses. So the individual account type is for everyone else. So of course you're going to be leaving it here individual. So name and address. So you're going to be putting your name. Make sure you put your real name and your bank account here. So I'm going to be leaving it this way. So here I'm going to be putting in my address. So they are going to send you an email in your email box. So just go straight to your email. So as you can see here, we have here email from YouTube. So who says hello WP Nice Tech, the AdSense account link to your YouTube channel WP Nice Tech was successfully changed. All future payment will be proceed through this new AdSense account. So you can see those are the information. So this email comes should the case if you're not the one that actually did this change. So you can actually do what reset your password and change you or associate your ad account. So guys, let's check out our YouTube studio and see if step 2 has updated. So here we have our YouTube studio. So as you can see, our step 2 has been updated successfully. So here we have you have successfully linked an AdSense account. So here we have done step 1 and step 2. Step 2 actually took me 9 complete hours to actually verify it. So here we are going to be moving into step 3. So step 3 is going to take you 48 hours to 30 days. So YouTube are going to review your account. As you can see, get review. So YouTube are going to review your account for 30 days or 48 hours or 10 days more, depends on how many days they are going to use. So they're going to be sending you a message, and they're going to send you a message that they have reviewed your account, and if your channel meet up the requirement, that they are going to let you into the monetization program, the YouTube partner program. So let's wait while step 3 finished the progress. Okay guys, so now I received a mail from YouTube telling me congratulations, you have been approved to join the YouTube partner program. So here we have the body of the message, which says congratulations, your YouTube channel WP Nice Tech has been accepted into the YouTube partner program and is now able to monetize on YouTube. So here are the content. So the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to go straight to my YouTube dashboard, YouTube Creator Studio, and do what, and turn on the monetization icon. So here I am on my YouTube studio. Go straight to monetization. So here I am, monetization. Click on monetization. So here you have all the monetization tab has changed. Everything has changed. So here we have overview here, and also we have supers here. So here we have super chat and super sticker, give you fans a new way to connect with you. So here we have overview here. So all you're gonna be doing right now is to on your monetization right away. So the next thing you're gonna be doing is to click on turn on ads. So guys, here I have all the types of advert that I'm going to place on my video. So here I have overlays ads, and I have sponsor card, I have skippable video ads, and also I have non-skippable video ads. So also make sure by default location video ads, which we have here, is what is tick. So all I'm going to be doing right now is to click on click on next. So here right now, here they're asking you which video do you want to monetize. So as you can see here, which video do you want to monetize? So we have all my existing videos, and also we have I will choose. This is a manual selection, so it's very advisable to do to leave it all my existing video and do I click on monetize all. So this is going to take a time, and all your video is going to be monetized. So guys, so now when you go to your content, you are going to be seeing all the video with a $sign. That's to show that yes, you have been, your video has been monetized. So guys, all my video has been monetized, and that is why you see $sign here. So any of the video that you can see here, this is turned off because it's unlisted. This particular video is unlisted, so you cannot monetize unlisted video. So right here we have this particular video that is ineligible. This video is a short video. You cannot do it's short video. You cannot monetize YouTube short. So my YouTube channel has been monetized. Alright guys, thank you for watching this wonderful video. So if you love this video, I want you to give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn the notification bell. See you guys in the next video.